أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي ربنا زدنا علما اللهم فقهنا في الدين آمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته يا أهل القرآن. I hope and pray that you all are in the best state of health and iman. Ameen. Alhamdulillah. Today, inshallah, let's learn ayah number 27 and 28 of Surah Al-Mulk, inshallah. First, I'll recite this. After that, inshallah, let's look into the Tajweed rulings. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم فلما رأوه زلفة سيئت وجوه الذين كفروا وقيل هذا الذي كنتم به تدعون قل أرأيتم إن أهلكني الله ومن معي أو رحمنا فمن يجير الكافرين من عذاب أليم. Alhamdulillah, barakallahu feekum. So we have completed reciting. So now inshallah let's look into the Tajweed rulings of these ayahs. فلما رأوه زلفة. Okay, فلما mim mushaddad must be pronounced with 2 count or gunna. Okay, and it has alif maddiya and so it should be stretched for 2 haraka. Both the things must be done, that is doing gunna for 2 count and stretching for 2 haraka. فلما. Okay, فلما رأوه ra with fatha and the next is hamza with fatha. Don't make it rawhu. Rawhu is wrong. Ra'awhu. Okay, ra must be heavy. Ra'awhu. Wawlin should sound aw, not o. It is not rawhu. Ra'awhu. Ra'awhu. Fine. Zulfatan. This za with a buzzing sound. Lam with no qalqala. It is not zulfatan. This is wrong. Zulfatan. Fine. Here tanween is followed by seen and therefore we'll do ikhfa for 2 count. Ikhfa means to hide nun sakin or tanween in 2 count nasalization. Zulfatan si'at. Okay, this is ya maddiya which is followed by hamza in the same word. So it is muttasil, the attached mad, where to stretch it for 4 to 5 count is mandatory, wajib. Okay, si'at, ta with sakin, and so do hams over there. It is not si'at. See, the ta is not audible correctly and so we have to do hums there. Si'at wujuhul ladhina. Wujuhu. This is waw with dhamma and circle your lips and pronounce it with your lips only, because especially when waw is with dhamma, I have seen sisters pronouncing it like hamza. U. Ujuhu is wrong. Wu. Wa, we, wu from your lips. Fine. Wujuhul ladhina. Ha is connected to lam. Hamzatul wasl is not read. Wujuhul ladhina. Zal with no buzzing sound. It is not allazina. It is alladhina. Okay. Wujuhul ladhina kafaru. Kaf and fa is for 1 haraka and they must be light. But the ra with dhamma is heavy and is stretched for 2 haraka. Kafaru. See how to make a ra heavy. When it has dhamma, you should make it heavy. It is not kafaru. It is kafaru. Okay. Waqila. Qaf from aqsal lisan, not from your throat. It is not wakhila or it is not wakila. Okay, it is waqila. qi. Okay, don't make it so heavy and pronounce it like qi. This is wrong. Waqila. Fine. Waqila hadha. Ha has standing fatha, that is alif saghira, stretch it for 2 count. Dal has fatha followed by alif, so this is alif maddiya. But the next word is starting with hamzatul wasl. When alif mad, waw mad, ya mad, or standing fatha, standing kasra, inverted dhamma, any of the madul asli is followed by hamzatul wasl in the next word, then that madul asli will be cancelled. Okay, and so if you want to stop at this point, you can stop by doing like stretching it for 2 haraka. وجوه الذين كفروا وقيل هذا 2 haraka. هذا. But while doing wasl, due to this hamzatul wasl, the connecting hamza, the mad gets cancelled. Okay, now you should not recite هذا الذي is wrong. It is هذا الذي, dhal, just for 1 count because you're removing this mad. Okay, هذا الذي, dhal with no buzzing sound and stretch it for 2 haraka. هذا الذي kuntum. Noon sakin is followed by ta. Do ikhfa with 2 count nasalization. Kuntum. Okay. Mim sakin is followed by ba. So when mim sakin and ba they meet, we'll do ikhfa there. Ikhfa ash-shafawi. That is hiding mim sakin in 2 count ghunna and pronouncing ba clearly. Kuntum bihi. Kuntum bihi. Okay, bihi have for 2 count inshallah. Tad'oon. Okay, this letter ayn should not sound like hamza inshallah, and at the end the noon carrying fatha will convert to noon sakina, the arid sukun, and the letter before it is huruf al maddiya, and that is why we can apply the ruling of madul arid lisukun inshallah by stretching huruf al mad for either 2 count or 4 count or 6 count inshallah. Okay, and the ayah is long, so you can stop at any point if your breath breaks and then recite from at least 2 to 3 words previous. Okay, inshallah. فلما رأوه زلفة سيئت وجوه الذين كفروا وقيل هذا الذي كنتم به تدعون قل أرأيتم إن أهلكني الله ومن معي أو رحمنا فمن يجير الكافرين من عذاب أليم. Okay, قل أرأيتم. قل, qaf should not sound like kaf or kha, the word will change. قل أرأيتم. This ra with fatha is heavy and the next letter is hamza with fatha, so don't make it araitum. Okay, especially when there is a letter with fatha and the next letter if it is hamza with fatha, then there is a chance that you merge both the fathas and make it sound like alif mad, and I have seen this in a lot of students doing this kind of mistake. So kindly don't do that. Pronounce hamza correctly. It is not araitum, it is araitum. I, hamza should sound separately and correctly. Araitum. Okay, yalin here should sound like I, not a. It's not araitum or atum. It is araitum. Okay, mim sakin with no gunna is hard ash-shafawi because the next letter is huruf al-halqi. قل أرأيتم. In nun sakin here is also without any gunna because the next letter is huruf al-halqi. Okay, this is a ruling of izhar and this is a ruling of izhar al-shafawi. In ahlakaniya, ha with hums. Okay, and don't do qalqala on it like is wrong. Ahlakaniya. Okay, and all the letters except this ha is for one haraka only, so don't stretch it. Okay, don't stretch any other letters for to account. It is only for one haraka. Ahlakaniya. Ya is connected to lam al jalala. Okay, and this lam al jalala will be heavy because this letter ya has fatha on it. Any letter before this lam al jalala that is carrying haraka, if that has fatha and dhamma, then this lam al jalala will be heavy. If it has kasra, then it is light. So here it is fatha. Ahlakaniya. Ya is with fatha, and that is why this lam al jalala will be heavy, inshallah. Ahlakani yallahu. Yallah. To make lam heavy, don't make this ya heavy. This will happen sometime that you decide ahlakani yallahu. Yo. This is wrong. Fine. Ya must be light. Only lam al jalala will be heavy. Ahlakani yallahu. Yallah. Fine. Waman ma'iya. Waman, nun sakin is followed by meme, and therefore we'll do idgham ma'al gunna. Idgham with 2 count gunna. Waman ma'iya. Ma'iya, ayn from wasatul halaq, not from your last part of the throat. It should not sound like ma'iya. It is ma'iya. Aw, not o. Aw, for one haraka only. Don't stretch it for long. Aw, okay. Rahimana. Ra with fatha is heavy. Ha is very sharp. Rahi. Okay, it is not rahimana. If you pronounce it like ha, it will convert to this ha. Okay, and therefore the meaning of a word can change or become meaningless. Therefore, pronounce it from the middle part of a throat in a very sharp sound. Rahimana. Here there is a sign of lam alif, that means not to stop. But still, if the ayah is long and your breath breaks at this point, there is no problem. You just have to go back and recite again from 3 to 4 words. Okay? If you stop at this point, then it is compulsory that you go back and start from here or here, anywhere. Fine? But make sure to go back and start, because here it means not to stop. Fine, inshallah. أو رحمنا فمن يجير. Faman, nun sakin followed by ya, idgham with 2 count gunna. Fine. How to pronounce it? Faman yujiru. It's not famay yujiru, because I've seen sisters doing idgham without any gunna. That doesn't yani the nun sakin will not be pronounced if you do so. Nun sakin has to be pronounced. The idgham al naqis is taking place. Faman yujiru. Faman yujiru. Okay. Yujiru. Jim for 2 count. Ra with dhamma is heavy. It is not yujiru. Ru is wrong. Ru. Do isti'ala there. Okay. Yujirul kafirina. Hamzatul wasl is not recited, or ra is directly connected to lam. Faman yujirul kafirina. Ka to haraka. Ra with kasra is followed by ya sakin. Even here should be stretched for 2 haraka. Kafirina. Okay, ra with kasra is light. Min, nun sakin with no gunna, just izhar will be done, because the next letter is huruf al halqi. Min adhabin. Ain clear, it should not sound like hamza. Dal with no buzzing sound. Okay, it is not azabin, it is adhabin. Fine. Tanween is followed by hamza. Again there will be no gunna on tanween, because it is the ruling of izhar. Adhabin alim. This meme has kasratan, which will acquire a sakin, the temporary sukoon, during waqf. Okay, and therefore it has, and also it has ya sakin, that is ya maddiya before it, and so we can apply the ruling of madul arid lisukun and stretch huruf al mad for either 2 count or 4 count or 6 count, inshallah. Okay, so let's recite this ayah. قل أرأيتم إن أهلكني الله ومن معي أو رحمنا فمن يجير الكافرين من عذاب أليم. Okay, Alhamdulillah, Barakallah Feekum. So we have completed learning these ayahs. Now inshallah, let's practice it for many times. I'm going to unmute your mics. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم
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 فلما رأوه زلفة سيئت وجوه الذين كفروا
فلما رأوه سيئت وجوه الذين كفروا
فلما رأوه زلفة سيئت وجوه الذين كفروا وجوه الذين كفروا وقيل هذا الذي كنتم به تدعون
وجوه الذين كفروا وقيل هذا الذي كنتم به تدعون
وقيل هذا الذي كنتم به تدعون
وقيل هذا الذي كنتم به تدعون
قل أرأيتم إن أهلكني الله ومن معي أو رحمنا
قل أرأيتم إن أهلكني الله ومن معي أو رحمنا
قل أرأيتم إن أهلكني الله ومن معي أو رحمنا
قل أرأيتم إن أهلكني الله ومعي أو رحمنا
ومن معي أو رحمنا فمن يجير الكافرين من عذاب أليم
ومن معي أو رحمنا فمن يجر الكافرين من عذاب أليم
فمن يجير الكافرين من عذاب أليم
فمن يجر الكافرين من عذاب أليم
فلما رأوه زلفة سيئت وجوه الذين كفروا
فلما رأوه زلفة سيئت
وجوه الذين كفروا وقيل هذا الذي كنتم به تدعون
وجوه الذين كفروا وقيل
وقيل هذا الذي كنتم به تدعون
وقيل هذا الذي كنتم به تدعون
قل أرأيتم إن أهلكني الله
قل أرأيتم إن أهلكني الله
قل أرأيتم إن أهلكني الله ومن معي أو رحمنا
قل أرأيتم إن أهلكني الله ومن أو رحمنا
ومن معي أو رحمنا فمن يجير الكافرين من عذاب أليم
ومن يجير الكافرين من عذاب أليم
فمن يجير الكافرين من عذاب أليم
ومن يجير الكافرين من عذاب أليم
فلما رأوه زلفة سيئت وجوه الذين كفروا وقيل هذا الذي كنتم به تدعون
فلما رأوا سيئت وجوه الذين كفروا وقيل
قل أرأيتم إن أهلكني الله ومن معي أو رحمنا فمن يجير الكافرين من عذاب أليم
قل أرأيتم إن أهلكني الله ومن رحمنا فمن يجير الكافرين
Alhamdulillah, barakallahu feekum. We have recited this for many times, so focus on the tajweed rulings and practice well, inshallah. If you have any doubts in these ayahs, you can ask me.
Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum salam.
In the second ayah, wamin man, the end, there is sukun. You go from the meme straight to the next meme, or you have to join the man to the next meme with the shadda.
Here?
Yes, right here, yes.
Yeah, so we will just join these two memes because this noon is getting completely merged in meme. So we will not recite noon, we will directly recite wa mamma'iyya. No noon will be recited because this noon is merged here in meme completely. Idgham al-kamil, okay?
Okay, understood.
Okay, alhamdulillah.
Jazakallah khair.
Wa iyaki khair. Any other doubts, dear sisters?
Assalamualaikum Ustazah.
Walaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Yeah, sister.
This Aw Rahimana, when we stop also it should be Rahimana. There should be no sukun there.
No, because alif mad, waw mad, ya mad will never convert to any other thing during waqf. Okay? During waqf or wasl, they are always, for two haraka only.
Yes.
So now let's end the meeting. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun wa salamun ala al-mursaleen walhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Jazakumullahu khairan.
Waalaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Jazakallah khairan.
Wa antum fa jazakumullahu khairan.